So hi, awesome ones. You know, I've been really studying what's on trend for spring and summer, and today you can tag along with me as I check out a lot of these trends at the mall. And a lot of them I won't be wearing, but I am going to show you some alternatives that will really show, you know, an on-trend kind of style for a more mature woman. So let's check out what I saw. Starting with this denim dress. Many dresses are trending, but instead, I'd like to wear a denim style dress that covers up my legs a bit more. This one looks like denim, but it's very lightweight and flowy and priced at only $39. I could have worn sneakers, but these strappy kitten heels along with a stretchy belt just dressed up the casual look. And of course, my Ray-Bans topped off the outfit. Now let's take a look at style number 2. And by the way, a lot of the fashions that I'm going to be modeling will be underneath the video description and also in the comments. I was really surprised to see this look featured in a high-end department store. Again, cut-off shorts aren't for me. Instead, I'm opting for a stretchy skirt with a great length. A skirt looks like a skirt, but has shorts underneath so you can be free to have lots of fun in the sun. This one is available for $40 and it comes in 12 different colors. My striped shirt, trending jean jacket, and white leather ked sneakers polish off the look. And by the way, if you like videos like this that are done by a woman who's not in her 20s or a size 0, I would really love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and also don't forget to click on the bell. All right, so what else did I find at the mall? I found lots of the see-through looks. I also see this look on celebrities and they're not wearing a bra. Well, needless to say, that's not for me. I can still have a see-through look that has taste. Here I have a lovely pair of sheer pants that are lined and flowy, and they're around $80. I added a camisole and a sheer over top that costs about $22. And you can see that I'm picking up the see-through trend, but with a touch of class. Strappy sandals for $38, a trendy chain necklace, and a chain-strapped purse finish off this chic look. Oh, and in case you didn't hear, every single Wednesday, I'm live at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, where I chat and we browse fashions, makeup, skincare, even housewares. And we've been hanging out like girlfriends for about a year now, and it's at 8 p.m. again, Eastern Standard Time every Wednesday. And I really hope one day you can join us. It's a lot of fun. All right. So let's look at the next trend. It's the tight dress. I love the color and bell sleeves, but anything that's this tight on my tummy, it isn't going to work. Instead, I'll be stepping out in this designer look dress that's available for only $32. It's super stretchy and roomy, and these bell sleeves make a bold statement. I've worn this dress to many events and had many compliments on it. It's a definite go-to to look on trend and chic. Next, let's look at a jacket that you're going to be seeing everywhere. But if you look like you actually own a Harley, this next mall look might be a little much. This is a pretty leather and skirt outfit, but a leather jacket with this many rivets takes away from any kind of a feminine vibe. I bought this ribbed faux leather jacket, which goes so well with this lacy skirt, and by the way, the skirt's around $32. The jacket has a lot of detail and is lightweight at $57. Black ankle boots that are also trending, and of course my Ray-Bans gives this leather and lace an edgy vibe. Now, there were many color trends for spring and summer that I won't be wearing, and one of them is a lime or a neon green, it's really tough for a lot of our skin tones. And what you might want to do is you might want to pick up the color in accessories. And I remember when yellow was really popular, and I just picked up a pair of shoes, and I picked up a little purse just to accessorize it. Now, another color that's really trending is Barbie pink, or maybe even a bubblegum pink. I'd rather have a touch of pink with a blazer like this one from The Drop for $75, a white pencil skirt for $21, a white cami, and accessories that complement the look and help me to look pretty in pink. Now, I was really hoping that the next style was not going to be trending, but there it was, everywhere. I'm talking about those over-distressed jeans. Let's get into jeans that look new again. Like this stretchy, made-for-mature women NYDJ jeans. And that stands for Not Your Daughter's Jeans. They are so stretchy and high-waisted to kind of pull in your tummy. This style has the trending ankle length and a bit of a wash look for $99. I added a t-shirt, navy faux suede moto jacket for $53, which by the way is available in 14 colors. I opted for a pair of pumps, and this outfit can be a go-to for a cooler day, and you'll look and feel fabulous wearing it. So one of the things that I noticed on the runways and at the mall were a lot of these trends, and what I saw, they tended to favor a younger woman with long legs. And you know, as mature women, we want to look chic and trendy, and we don't want to look like we're in our 20s or diet down to a size 0. I can kind of see how women just opt for a black top and joggers, but you know what? That's why I'm here, because somehow when you wear something that's trendy or even a little bit edgy, you look at yourself in the mirror, you feel like you're kind of aging with attitude, and you also feel a lot less invisible, and that's a very good thing. Are you noticing that more and more celebrities, you know, in their 50s, 60s, 70s, even in their 80s, they're really rocking their looks, and, you know, there's no reason why we can't kind of sport a moto jacket or maybe look pretty in pink. And for me and for you, it's just another way to keep it awesome.